fourth and final step. This video is going to be all about pay-per-click campaigns. I am going to provide you with one of my all-time favorite sources for pay-per-click campaigns. Okay, I've had good results for many years with 7Search.com. Okay, when you click the link above this video, right, you should have gotten onto a page that looks like this. All right. And what we're going to do first is create our free account. Alright, so what you need to do is click on the sign up button. Okay, it's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Now what I want you to notice is the registration steps process here. Okay, here's where you are right now. You're going to choose a username, email, first and last name. Okay, step 2, when you get to step 3, okay, the creating your ad, the step 4 is keywords and bids, review and pay. I believe it's a $25 minimum deposit. I'm not sure. I believe at the time that I started with them it was a $25 deposit. I believe that is still the case, okay, which is one of the reasons why I chose 7Search for you guys just starting out. There are, as I've said, there's hundreds of pay-per-click networks available that you can work with. A lot of them have a much steeper initial deposit for you to get started advertising with them. Some of them can be in the thousands of dollars initial deposit. Okay, so to find one that is affordable and effective was kind of my primary purpose when I set out to do this for you guys, right? And 7Search meets that bill. They deliver incredible results, right? And they have a price that fits our budget. Okay, so when you get to these steps, the create your ad and the add the keywords and bids, if you can skip them, go ahead and skip them, because in the next section of this video I'm going to log into my 7Search account and I'm going to show you step by step how to create an ad, how to do the keywords and the keyword bids, how to do a little bit of research with some of the tools they provide with you or for you in here. Okay, I'm going to go through it step by step, show you how to avoid some of the common pitfalls, right? And how we can maximize your pay-per-click campaign so you get your maximum return on your investment. Okay, sound good? So like I said, when you get to these steps, if you can skip them, skip them, right? If you can't skip them, do your best to kind of go through it and do one. If it doesn't let you skip it and you have to create one, we can always delete it and create a new campaign, which again I said I'll help you do that. I'll walk you through that process. Okay, so go ahead, get started here. Okay, complete this process. All right, and I'll see you on the inside in the members area and we will get started. All right, talk to you soon. All right, welcome back. Hopefully you got through the sign up process without a problem. Welcome to your back office. This is the 7Search dashboard. This provides you with all of the statistics that you need to manage your campaigns. All right. Now the very first thing that I want to do for you is I want to create a campaign, right? Because as we create a campaign, I will be able to show you some of the tools, some of the things that are available for you that are going to really help you out. Okay, so I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click on the campaign tab. Now you may have a campaign here, all right, that you had to create when you signed up for your account. All right, if you want to get rid of that campaign, if you want to delete it, right, you can just click this radio button, click delete, and that will delete your campaign. Okay, these are currently campaigns that I have running. This one is paused, but these are active, right? Okay, so what I want to do here is I want to create a new campaign. All right, it brings up the new campaign screen. All right, this right here is the box. This is a real-time view as you're typing your ad, right, your text ad. This is what it's going to look like up here. Okay, so I'm going to name this campaign just something, nobody's going to see this besides you. It's just for your own reference, right? So I'm just going to go with 5 steps. Okay. The default ad title, all right, this is going to be the big bold headline here. Okay, so I'm going to put in something like learn to make money online. Okay, then down in here is going to be the ad description. Okay, the smaller text here. So I'm going to put free video series reveals powerful new methods for making money online. Okay, you can see how it looks up here. All right, the display URL. The display URL and the default destination URL are two different things. Okay, and in your display URL, that is where you want to put your main domain name for your business. Okay, if you are billsflowershop.com, that's what you want to put there. If you are Susan's Flowers, that's what you want to put there. If you're yogabysally.com, that's what you want to put there. Okay, this is where you put your business domain name. Okay, so I'm going to put creatinglifesolutions.com. All right, the destination URL, okay, clear that out of there, because you should know by now, right? Where are we sending this traffic? Never ever ever do we want to send paid traffic right to our main domain. We always send paid traffic to our landing pages, correct? All right, so this is what we want to do here. We want to take one of the landing pages that we created with the Easy Landing Page Pro creator, the landing page that you created, okay? And that's the address that we're going to put in here, okay? So I'm going to open a new tab, right? I am going to grab one here. Again, I've got 500,000. I should go through here and clean this out. Let's go with 3 steps. All right. We'll use that one. I will put that, paste that right in there. Okay, this is my landing page. This is where the people that click on this link are going to go, is to my landing page. Okay. The nice thing about having this URL here, right, your business domain name, is that it shows up right here. So you're killing 2 birds with 1 stone. One is you're branding yourself, right? You're getting your actual business name put out there and seen. And then when they click on the link, they're going to your lead capture page where you have an opportunity to capture them as a subscriber and put them in your email list. All right, makes sense? All right, then you want to test the URL to make sure it works right. Okay, it's working. All right, cool, everything is good. Adult oriented website? No. Website category, little drop down menu here. You got adult, automotive, all these categories. Again, just like in the solo ad Safe Swaps back office where we had to choose a niche, right? This is a lot more targeted than that. Okay, you've got a whole ton of different niches that you can choose from, and each niche even has individual categories within it. Okay, so you can get really targeted as to who you're looking to attract. Okay, now I am going to go down here to, let's see here, what do I want? I want internet marketing and advertising. Okay, that's the one I'm going to choose. My daily budget, I have been using a $10 daily budget, and I almost never go through the $10 in one day. All right, I manage my campaigns to my monthly budgets, right? So I'm going to put in here $10 a day, right? Target your customers by geographic location. All right, you can either allow all customers to see your ad, which means that this ad up here, right, will be displayed worldwide on 7Search's network. Okay, worldwide, right? So think about this a little bit. If your offer, if you're selling things, say you're selling gifts, or you're selling T-shirts, or you're selling jerseys, you're selling something that you're shipping, right? You might not want to ship something over to, say, Egypt or India or the Philippines or something like that, because the cost of shipping is really, unless you've got it covered, it's really going to cut into your profits. Okay, so also keep in mind the language barriers. All right, your website's in English, your landing pages are in English, right? So for starting out, I would select specific countries. Okay, it'll bring up a drop-down box, and we can choose countries: the United States, Canada, add, United Kingdom, add, Australia is another one. Okay, pretty much I want English speaking people over here. If you are a business who only wants to ship in the United States, okay, then you would just put United States here. If you don't want to ship overseas, or you don't want to ship to Canada, then take these out. You can just highlight them and remove them. Okay, like so. It's pretty easy. All right, I'm going to stay with the United Kingdom and Australia for my particular campaign. I want to highlight that one, add it back in here. Okay, I will leave Australia out for now. All right, create the campaign. All right, here's our ad up here. Okay, this is where it gets fun, and I'm going to show you exactly how to choose targeted keyword phrases to get you the best results. Okay, so this is the keyword suggestion tool. All right, so what you want to do is you don't want to use a generic single keyword. All right, so staying with Bill's Flower Shop, if I was Bill and I was setting up this campaign, right, I would not want to put flowers in here. Okay, but we'll do it just for example, right? Okay, estimated searches 300,765. Okay, estimated top clicks on the 7Search network 3,300. All right, extremely high traffic keyword, right? And you say, well, why wouldn't you take it, right? Why wouldn't you choose, if you were Bill's Flower Shop, why wouldn't you take flower? All right, well, I'll tell you why. It's not targeted. Okay, I want to use a keyword phrase. All right, where I'm going to narrow this down. All right, out of these 300,000 people that are searching for the word flower, all right, I want to narrow this pool down to people who are specifically looking for exactly the item that I'm selling. Okay, if I'm looking to sell and ship out NFL jerseys, right, for the NFL season this year, the football season, right, I don't want a keyword. For example, if I type in football, okay, look at this, almost 600,000 results for football. All right, but that's not at all targeted, right? Okay, because football is real generic. Football in some countries means soccer, right? Football in Europe means soccer, right? Football here in the United States, it could mean somebody who's looking to get in on a fantasy football league. It could be someone who's looking to bet on football games. It could be somebody looking for tickets, right? Well, I'm selling jerseys. Okay, so I don't want this person to click on my link, right, and cost me 5 cents, 7 cents, 8 cents a click, when this person is not at all going to resonate with what it is I have to offer. Okay, I want to get much more targeted than just football. All right, so what I can do is I can go up here and I can put in NFL jerseys. Okay, I don't know if that's how you spell jerseys or not, but all right, here, this is better. NFL jersey. 109,000. Okay, so we lost quite a bit of traffic, right? But these people are a whole lot more targeted, right? These people are specifically looking for NFL jerseys. Okay, you come down here, NFL jerseys for sale, right? Denver Broncos jerseys, right? I mean, this is how targeted you can get, all right? But if I'm selling NFL jerseys, that's who I want to go after, okay? For me, I am looking for make money online. Okay, now watch this. When I put in the keyword suggestion for make money online, okay, 748,000 searches, right? Watch what happens when I put in just money. Right? 2 million searches for make money blogging, right? Just money, right? So I want to get targeted, okay? I want to get make money online, okay? All right, make money online, 748,000, okay? And then look at over here. These are the number one bid right now is 74 cents a click. Number 2 is 74. Number 3 is 45, right? So what I want to do is I'm going to click on the estimated monthly clicks here, right? And that's going to resort it, and it's going to put it in order from highest to lowest, right? And I can actually look and see where there might be a chink in the armor where I can get a lower cost per click yet still get decent traffic, right? Okay, how to make money, way to make money online. That's a little bit cheaper, right? Look at this. The bid to put me in the third position, which is still really pretty good. I mean, you want to be in the top 5 positions, okay? So the third position is 30 cents, so the 4th and 5th position are probably going to be even less than that, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this little button. I'm going to choose that keyword, okay? How to make money, that's high bid. This one here, make money online free, right? I'm going to take that one. And you don't need a lot of keywords, okay? You just need a couple that have a decent amount of traffic at a bid price that you can afford, okay? I'm going to come down here, I'm going to click next. All right, it's going to ask me if I want to submit these keywords. I do. Okay. Now this is where it gets cool. All right, we're going to go manage keyword bids. Okay. Now look at this. Our default bid when we chose the keywords automatically came in at 5 cents. Okay. It's telling you the smart bid for this keyword is 26 cents. Okay. So when you click on this little hourglass, right, it's going to show you all the people, all the advertisers who have the top spots. This is spot number 1, spot number 2, spot number 3, spot number 4, 5, so on and so forth. Okay, and what the bid is for the number 1 spot, right? If you want the number 1 spot for this particular keyword, you would put in a bid of 26 cents, right? Makes sense? The second spot, 21 cents. 21 cents. Okay? But look at this here. Now, you can get into the top 10 for 10 or 11 cents a click. All right? 11 cents a click puts you in the in what? The 7th spot, 8th spot. Okay? You're going to get a decent amount of traffic at 10 or 11 cents a click. Okay, that's phenomenal, right? Very, very good keyword. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to 11, okay, and then I'm going to click on the little hourglass here, okay. Way to make money online free is this keyword, okay. All right, 47 cents is the number 1 bid. He can have it. That's too rich for my blood, right? So I'm going to go down here. I'm going to take a look. Where can we get in here? I can break into the top 10 again at 11 cents, right? So I'm going to set this at 11 cents. I'm going to save the bids, okay? I'm going to come back here to my dashboard, right? All right, just to give it time to the system time to catch up here, right? I'm going to click on campaigns. I'm going to go down to the campaign we just created. I'm going to highlight it, okay? Now if I go back to this hourglass, no, it's not updated yet, but after a few minutes it will show you, it'll highlight your ad in here, okay, and where you rank in accordance with all these other guys above and below you, okay? Usually it just takes maybe a minute. I'm surprised it's not updated already. Here, let's try targeting Canada here. No, it's not updated yet. All right, so, but that's essentially how it works. All right, and right now this campaign is live, okay, and we are getting traffic to that website. Usually it takes 7Search maybe an hour to get your campaign live and starting to get traffic. All right, but that's really all there is to it. Now what I like to do is every morning I will come back in here and I will check the statistics, right? I will go back to the dashboard, okay? I'll click on campaigns, go to the one I'm checking on, okay? Which this one doesn't have a history yet, so I'm going to pick one that does have a history, okay? This is inactive, but I have been running it for a while, so it has a history, and this is what I want to do. I want to see how many clicks I got on this particular ad yesterday, okay? So I can change the drop down menu, set the dates, okay? And I got 15 clicks on it yesterday. It cost me $3.19, right? Average cost per click was 21 cents, okay? Pretty sweet, right? I check this every morning, okay? I also go in, right, back to the dashboard. I also go in to the campaign setting for the one campaign that I currently have running, and I always want to check this little hourglass, right? And I want to see if any of these guys fell out of the top spots, right? Because some of these guys, you know, they will only advertise on the weekend, right? Or they'll only advertise certain days a week. So by paying attention to this every day, okay, you can come in here sometimes and for a few days you can notice that you can be in these top 2 or 3 spots for say 14 or 15 cents a click. Definitely worth doing it, okay? And if you check it every day, it's really a good way for you to control your expenses and get maximum amount of clicks, because that's what we're trying to do here, right? We're trying to get the most amount of people possible to our landing page, right? Giving them the opportunity to become a subscriber, opt into your email list, right? And we want to do it as cost effective as we possibly can, okay? So that's pretty much all there is to it. That's the basic walkthrough on 7Search. It's simple, it's easy, right? And like I've said before, 7Search provides fantastic results. I think you'll really be impressed with what it's going to do for your business. Okay, congratulations on completing all these steps. You guys have put in a lot of work to get this far. Hopefully you're going to start to see the results. All right, good luck.